Bar stock material is a service performed in the manufacturing industry that involves the production of metal bars in various shapes and sizes. These bars are used as raw materials in the production of various metal products, including machine parts, tools, and equipment. The process of producing bar stock material involves the use of specialized machines that cut, shape, and polish metal bars to meet specific customer requirements. The manufacturing industry relies heavily on bar stock material as it is a cost-effective and efficient way to produce high-quality metal products. The use of bar stock material allows manufacturers to produce parts and components with consistent dimensions and properties, which is essential for ensuring the quality and reliability of the final product. Additionally, bar stock material is available in a wide range of materials, including steel, aluminum, brass, and copper, making it a versatile option for manufacturers in various industries. Berkness Company is a manufacturing company that specializes in the production of custom metal products for various industries, including aerospace, defense, and medical. The company offers a wide range of services, including bar stock material production, CNC machining, welding, and assembly. Berkness Company has a team of experienced engineers and technicians who work closely with customers to develop custom solutions that meet their specific needs. At Berkness Company, we understand the importance of bar stock material in the manufacturing industry, which is why we offer high-quality bar stock material production services to our customers. Our state-of-the-art machines and equipment allow us to produce metal bars in various shapes and sizes, ensuring that our customers receive the exact specifications they require. Additionally, our team of experts is always available to provide guidance and support throughout the production process, ensuring that our customers receive the best possible service. If you are interested in learning more about our bar stock material production services or any of our other manufacturing services, please visit our Contact Us page on the Berkness Company website. Our team is always available to answer any questions you may have and provide you with the information you need to make an informed decision about your manufacturing needs. FAQs. 1. What is bar stock material and what are its properties? Bar stock material is a type of raw material used in manufacturing processes. It is typically a long, cylindrical piece of metal or plastic that is used to create various components and parts. The properties of bar stock material can vary depending on the specific material used, but generally, it is known for its strength, durability, and resistance to wear and tear. 2. What are the common types of bar stock material used in manufacturing? There are several types of bar stock material commonly used in manufacturing, including steel, aluminum, brass, copper, and plastic. Each material has its own unique properties and advantages, and the choice of material will depend on the specific application and requirements of the part or component being produced. 3. How is bar stock material processed and shaped into finished parts? Bar stock material is typically processed and shaped using a variety of manufacturing techniques, including cutting, drilling, milling, and turning. These processes are used to remove material from the bar stock and create the desired shape and dimensions of the finished part. CNC machines are often used to automate these processes and ensure precision and accuracy in the final product. For more information, contact Berkness Company today.